stranded Indian nationals are able to go back. They're going to Mumbai, from where some of them would go to Ahmedabad. And this is really an opportunity for us to thank Air Tanzania, to thank the civil aviation here. In fact, thank the government of Tanzania for helping us with this evacuation. And, India and Tanzania have always been great partners. So we see this flight as a manifestation of the partnership that our two countries have, that we've been able to work together. We'll also have our Tanzanian brothers and sisters coming back in the same flight. So that really shows that both countries are working together to help the people, and we are in this together. And in India also we needed permissions from the central government and also from the state government. These are difficult times, as everyone knows. So, but everyone has been very helpful. We are grateful to everyone. We're grateful to all the authorities here. We're grateful to authorities back home. It's a dynamic situation. In this flight, about 200 are going. Probably we might have another 300 to 400 people. These are mainly people who were either on a business visit, or they were on a tourist visa, or some of them have medical reasons to go. So these are really people who had compelling reasons to go back. And in fact, some of them might come back because this is kind of a temporary thing. They're going for medical reasons, or they're going for some emergency in their family back home. So we do expect that many of them would come back.